A man from the tribe of Banu Sawa narrates, I asked Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha about the character of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She replied, do you read the Quran? Allah the Almighty says, and indeed you are of a great moral character. Quran Surah 68 verse 4. I expressed a desire to hear a specific incident regarding this character, and she recounted, once I cooked food for the Prophet ﷺ. At the same time, Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu ta'ala anha, another wife of the Prophet, also prepared a meal. I thought to myself, go and see if Hafsa brings the food first and places it. You can then initially spill the food. However, Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu ta'ala anha brought the food first, and the maid accidentally knocked over the pot, which fell and broke. There was a mat spread underneath, and the Prophet ﷺ began collecting the broken pieces, saying, get another utensil in exchange of this broken one, but nothing more. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23,700.